Adoni is a city in the Kurnool district in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It has long been a significant city in terms of mythology, history and commerce. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Ram visited Adoni during his exile along with brother Lakshman and wife Sita. But do you know, because of the rapid development happening in Adoni, the water quality was severely being affected there. Shortly, I'll let you know what kind of water problems Adoni has been facing and its solutions. This is me, Shreyasi, and welcome to RO India. Adoni is known for its cotton and textile industry. It's also an important trading center in Andhra Pradesh with a large market situated in the center of the town. The Adoni Fort is undoubtedly the city's biggest tourist attraction. Historical Adoni Fort and Shahi Jamia Masjid, built in 1660 by Sidi Masood, are some of the notable landmarks around the city. Sri Ramajala is also one of the famous historical landmarks which now provides water for the town. Adoni is located on the border of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. During the British rule, Adoni was known as Second Bombay as it was the hub of all sorts of businesses. It is also known as the grain market of South India. Several Persian and Arabic inscriptions which throw light on various aspects of historical interest are also found here. Adoni is home to a number of Ganesha temples. But do you know, because of all the urbanization happening in Adoni, it faced huge water crisis, so much so that when the acute water shortage had started gripping several parts of the district, several public wells dug up to ensure the water supply. With tube wells lying defunct and water sources dried up, people had to walk down to ponds to fetch drinking water, after which people fell sick after drinking contaminated water from streams and canals. And as everyone knows, consuming unhealthy water can lead to all sorts of diseases which can be life-threatening. So to avoid anything of this sort, we need to consume clean water, which can only happen through the right kind of water purifier. All of us have a bunch of questions while buying the right product for ourselves. To answer all your doubts and queries, we have RO India's water expert. You can call RO India's water expert and take the right kind of advice. RO India's water expert will do a need analysis of all your requirements and check all the parameters like water analysis, pH level, hardness, TDS, ORP, technology, brand, capacity and budget, and suggest you the right kind of water purifier. If you're already using a water purifier, you must get it serviced from time to time. Otherwise, there might be a possibility that its membrane, filter or any other spare part might get damaged, or even the whole of the machine. For servicing, there's only one service provider, RO India. Water purifier takes care of your health, RO India takes care of your water purifier's health. RO India is in the industry since last 17 years with 5,500 service centers in almost every pin code of India, with a network of 20,000 technicians and a happy family of 15 lakh customers. That's why people trust RO India. You can be anywhere in Adoni and RO India will provide you a well-trained and qualified technician which will take care of proper hygiene at the time of servicing. RO India's technicians use genuine RCI manufactured spare parts which are ISI and NSF certified and quality cost effective. At the time of using the water purifier, one thing we should all keep in mind is to save water. To prevent the wastage of water and to know the hacks of saving it, you can check RO India's website. So if you want any service related to your water purifier, whether it is the installation, AMC, exchange or repair, you can contact RO India. RO India's contact number is 926-888-770. You can also download RO India's customer service app from the Play Store and check the status of your complaint. If you have any doubts and queries, feel free to ask us in the comment section below. That's it from my side. We'll meet in the next video with some more information. This is me, Shreyasi, signing off.